Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says also in Surah, if I'm not mistaken, Surah Tawbah, verse 128. لَقَدْ جَاءَكُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ عَزِيزٌ عَلَيْهِ مَا عَنِتُّمْ حَرِيصٌ عَلَيْكُمْ بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ رَؤُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ. Very beautiful ayah like other ayat. A messenger has come to you from yourself. He is not a person who is a stranger. He is a person, not only a human being. Rasulullah was a bashar like them, but not even a bashar from another place. He was a bashar, a human being, also from them. Okay? من أنفسكم. He's from you. عزيز عليه ما عنتم. This man has so much of love for you and so much of concern for you that if anyone is suffering, he is restless. This is one of the requirements of leadership. His rest is when everyone is at rest. And the last person whose rest is important is his own rest. Like a mother. Does mother think first about feeding herself? Does mother think first about, for example, making a comfortable bed for herself? Or mother first thinks about other people? Rasulullah was concerned about the interests of other people, rest of other people, and the last person to worry about was him. This self-denial is very important. If you don't have self-denial, you cannot be a leader. So it's something that we have to try, inshallah, to achieve. Harisun alaykum. He is very, very concerned about you. He is concerned about your worldly success. He is concerned about your spiritual progress. He is concerned about your family life. He is concerned about your relation with other communities. He is concerned about many, many things. Even the things that you yourself may not be concerned about because you are not aware, he is concerned. For example, you have a child who goes to school. Maybe he doesn't know that his relation with other people is also very important. But you are concerned, so you make sure that he would make good friendship with other people. You make sure that, for example, when he's passing by other people's houses, he's not going, to, for example, cause trouble. You are making sure that when he goes and it's a chance of rain, then he takes with him suitable dress. So you are more concerned for your child's health, success, progress, comfort, future, than the child for himself. Harisun alaykum. He's so much caring and thinking about you. بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ رَؤُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ. Although Rasulullah is rahmatun lil alameen, Rasulullah has rahmah, and not only he has rahmah, it's very interesting. He is rahmah, because there's a difference between saying someone is kind or someone is kindness. Someone is merciful or someone is mercy. Rasulullah is an embodiment of mercy, is rahmah, is embodiment of mercy for all alameen. And alameen means all. So, this is the scope, includes everyone. But on top of that, this is very important. On top of that inclusive rahmah, he has additional rahmah for mu'min. Rasulullah doesn't look at the world in this way. These are my people, I love them. These are my enemies, I hate them. This is not the way Rasulullah looks at people. Rasulullah says, these are creatures of God, I love them, I am sent as mercy for them, but I have to be more also concerned, extra concern for what? For believers. So it's built over the inclusive rahmah. Not, I only love my mu'mineen, I hate others. No, this is not the way Rasulullah is introduced to us. So, بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ رَؤُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ. He's very kind and merciful. Actually, it's interesting, in the Quran, if I'm not mistaken, the term Rahim is mentioned 127 times. Rahim, 127 times. We have a paper with my wife, Image of God in the Quran. And this is a survey which shows that in the Quran, the quality which is by far the most frequently mentioned quality of God is Rahman. Just Rahim is about 127. Of course, out of these 127, 126 is about God. One is about Rasulullah. And I'm talking about Rahim. For the plural, we have Ruhama, and that is for the companions of the Prophet. So, 126 cases of Rahim for Allah, like Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, like Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay? One case for Rasulullah, Bil Mu'minina Ra'ufun Rahim. But also you have Ruhama. So Ruhama is for whom? For the companions. Ruhama baynahum. Between themselves, they are very kind and merciful to each other. So Allah is Rahim 126 times. Rasulullah is Rahim, once is mentioned. And Mu'mineen are Ruhama. They are Ruhama with respect to each other.